Back to the Future.
Released 1985, directed by Robert Zemeckis.
Casablanca.
Casablanca.
Ferris Bueller's Day Off.
Released 1986, directed by John Hughes.
The Sandlot.
The Sandlot. Mean Girls. Die Hard.
Elf.
Released 2003, directed by Jon Favreau.
The Godfather.
The Godfather.
Airplane.
Airplane.
Monty Python and the Holy Grail, negating the hairy nipple nebula.
Monty Python and the Holy Grail. Rocky Roman III.
The Godfather Part II.
The Godfather Part II.
Predator.
Released 1987, directed by John McTiernan.
Bridesmaids.
Released 2011, directed by Paul Feig.
The Princess Bride.
Released 1987, directed by Rob Reiner.
Taxi Driver.
Released 1976, directed by Martin Scorsese.
To Kill a Mockingbird.
Released 1962, directed by Robert Mulligan.
The Nightmare Before Christmas.
Released 1993, directed by Henry Selick.
Star Wars.
Released 1977, directed by George Lucas.
The Dark Knight Rises.
Released 2012, directed by Christopher Nolan.
The Incredibles.
Released 2004, directed by Brad Bird.
Pirates of the Caribbean, The Curse of the Black Pearl.
Released 2003, directed by Gore Verbinski.
Pitch Perfect.
Pitch Perfect.
Clueless.
Released 1995, directed by Amy Heckerling.
Forrest Gump.
Released 1994, directed by Robert Zemeckis.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.